Your game is Crystal Guardians? Is that a good game? Never heard about that. March 2024. I've played your game at launch and I think I've posted feedback once on your Discord. Cool. Oh, that's a tower defense game too? Cool. Very nice. And how has the reception been so far? You able to make a living off the game right now? March. So that's March, Januar, Februar, März, April, May, June, July, September. So 4 months. Good graphics. Let's see here. What do we have? We have attack. This gotta be the radius. Then that's probably crit chance. I don't know what that is. If that's crit chance too. Then fire. Oh, you have different elements in your game too. Interesting. Crit chance and crit damage. So that's crit damage. Plus 25 damage. 9 minus 3 equals 4. 9 minus 3 equals 4. 9 minus 3 equals 4. Look at me, I'm so smart. God, man. Klugscheißer. A TD sounds like a great 1-year project. A noob would take longer, but Supercook can definitely do it in a year. Yeah, he's seen all of the issues I run into. Would you make a 3D or a 2D game, Mr. Supercook? Oh my god, if I were to start over, I would know. I know exactly what I would do, man. Where's my towel? 3D? Actually, really? I would do 2D. I think. I understood that without knowing German. Yeah. Released faster than Cakez. Yes, sir. So, how do you create interesting, and I don't like using the word, but it's actually true, diverse enemies? And so by diversity, I mean not just HP enemies, but enemies that have different resistances or different gameplay mechanics that require different types of towers by a certain period of time or by a certain round. How do you create that? Would you be willing to elaborate a little bit on that? Because, for example, you can have towers that deal physical damage, like you have 88 physical damage, it looks like to me. And then there could be an enemy that has very high physical defense. And so your 88 damage gets reduced to 10. Now you don't deal any damage to this guy and he just walks past you. Now what you need maybe is fire. Maybe poison. Looks like you have poison, fire, then that's attack speed, and I don't know what the blue heart is. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to be. Boulder tower here. Yeah. The blue heart is a bit confusing, I have to say. Very nice. I'll give it a try in the future again. Played it for 2.8 hours so far. Yeah, I always like talking about this. He also fixed all your issues? No, that's not true. Supercool didn't fix all my issues. He fixed some issues I had, yeah. Was very helpful. But not all of mine. Actually, you're banned. You know what? You're banned. Bitch. Yeah, I did sleep well, though, today. Just FYI, Kingdom Rush has enemies with weaknesses that only really make a difference on hard difficulty. Can build anything on normal and be fine. Ah, man. It's this shoulder still, guys. It's fucking me over. I'm still having issues with this shoulder. And my neck pain is gotten a bit better. But not perfect. What's this beautiful game? This is Guardians of the Galaxy. No, it's not. What is it called? Galaxy Guardians? Something Galaxy. Crystal Guardians. That's what it is. It looks like the guy left, unfortunately. So I was asking him a question about designing meaningful enemies. But unfortunately, it looks like he left. Oh, actually, he didn't. Goldfish memory. I was typing, I see. So currently there's not much different resistances, just armor, but the difference is burn resistance. Different movement speed, stun resistance, healing, a short speed boost, etc. I see. Okay. Healing is something that I will implement too, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy how, like, most people come to the same conclusion that speed changes, armor changes, so basically very resistant enemies. That's like the #1 thing that people do. Exactly, that's what I have as well. That's the first thing you do. Okay, well, physical damage doesn't do anything anymore. And Bloons does it in a very cool way, where they just have a flag and say, well, that's a lead Bloon. Do you have lead detection? Or not lead detection. Do you have lead attack or something? No? Okay, you don't deal damage. That's very cool. It's time for your back pain to leave like our hope for your game demo cakes. I actually have a very tight muscle here. Interesting. I've been hitting this yesterday a lot. Doing many different resistances makes a game convoluted immo. Yes, it does. I have it in my game now. And it is how it is now. Essentially. Now I have it. It's a very strong RPG aspect of my game. I'll keep it the way it is. So, how did you make this game? Is it in Unity? Or did you use Unreal Engine? The graphics look kind of nice. What is that supposed to be? Is that Strand? That's a bit odd. So that's like Sandbank in English? Interesting. Specials, Hydra, Regeneration, Summon Minions, Heal Others, Absorb from Others. There's tons of options. Yeah, but ultimately all of them result in the same gameplay mechanic. Which is they just take longer to kill. I'm talking about interesting mechanics. More interesting mechanics. I like that tower. I have a similar tower myself. Really cool. Very cool effects, by the way. This is Bloom, right? And then probably additive blending. Very nice. Yes, Unity. How long did it take you to make this game, Wuhami? That's awesome, bro. Yeah, look at the damage numbers, guys. That looks really good. But unfortunately, what I think with these types of games, and I have this in my game too, you lose the overview. Look at how many damage numbers you have here. And like you just see that there's a bunch of enemies coming and you lose the overview. But I guess you have that in Bloons too. That happens in Bloons as well. Wuhami. Who am I? Oh, I see. Who am I? Now 2.5 years. And before you started working on this game, what did you do? What was the stuff that you did before? Oh, wow. What is that? Poison crystal. Fire crystal. So you have a big skill tree here. Very interesting. I created an option to reduce visual noise. I was and I'm still a uni student. Oh man, then this game is probably a huge boost to your income. That's awesome. I want to say sorry, Cakez. I acted too fast. For a second, I really mistook it for your game. Probably because I look at the level every day. Your game, if finished, will blow Bloons away. Nico, Spook, you and I are done. Uh-oh. What's with TCAP? Man. Okay. Yeah, what type of boosts do you give here? That's a skill map? Is that a skill map? Can you like give me 1 or 2 examples of skills that you do here, like for different towers? What I see here is, now I would assume that this is more burn damage. And this looks more like burn duration. Could be wrong here. Or maybe this is, no, either it's burn chance, and this is burn damage. Yoink incoming. No, I want to see, I want to understand how... So guys, there's a reason why I'm asking this question, okay? Just wait, okay? Shut the fuck up. I don't want to yoink anything, okay, bro? I'm talking about game design here, okay? You morons. But if you made a reverse tower defense, where you set up the waves that try to get past towers, that already exists. No, I don't want to do that. I like tower defense. I really hope your neck and shoulders are better soon, Cakes. Did you look at your sleep position? It can impact it a lot. Yes. But I'm just not gonna change my sleep position because I just like sleeping like that. I can't sleep any other way. However, I probably want to have a better cushion. I think it's called cushion. Cushion? Cushion? Kissen in English. Kissen. Give me a second. Great. Great. It fucked up all my tabs. You're kidding me, right? Wait a minute. Reopen all tabs. Oh, I got my tab back. Ah, yes, thank you. It's a bit much. But okay, cool. It's actually quite a bit. Sorry about this, guys. Give me just 1 second, okay? Just wanted to... Okay, that's better. Now we close Firefox. Pillow? Yeah, thank you guys. I wanted to search pillow, exactly. So the reason why I have these tabs open is because, for example, yesterday we watched this. No, not this. That one's gone now. What the fuck? This guy essentially that did the game loop. And so I keep the videos open so that I can put them in the YouTube videos. So the moment they are in the YouTube video, I close the tabs. I don't have to search them anymore. So the whole day, will you hitting your shoulder and you making noises again? Sorry about that. Who am I? I'm interviewing a game developer right here, okay? Shut the fuck up, Inukai. Go eat a dick. Burn, gold on kill, or when burn is stacked to 2500, release all stacks for 1 to 2 times the stack, so 2,500 becomes 7,500. How does that work? Can you explain how your burns work? 1 is 5% chance to generate 1 gold per burn per enemy. Okay, Exile the Avatar Azula, good morning. What's up? What's up? Nice interview. You are a born journalist. I'm gonna ban this guy again, man. Holy shit. Maybe you both have the same height, but different height and pillows. Hydra may result in a swarm requiring fast attacking tower. Healing may be cancelled. It's not only longer to kill, there's infinite options. Yeah, there is. So the reason, like, how does that work? Burn stacks? So you put 1 burn stack on the enemy, and then what does that mean? It takes 1 damage per second, and then you put 2 burn stacks on an enemy, and then it does 2 burns per second, and the burn duration is refreshed. And so you could essentially infinitely stack burns. So you would go from... Yeah, you could essentially generate 1,000,000 damage. Interview a dialogue with someone that will lead to get useful information that you can yoink. No, you guys have no fucking idea. Burn always lasts 5 seconds. I see. And so whenever you inflict a burn, it just adds 1 stack to it. Guys, I'm not asking these dumbass questions like, oh, that's cool. Cool game, man. Oh, wow. How did you design the enemies? Oh, what went into the design? Oh, wow, cool. Look at the design of that. I'm asking specific questions that come up in games, you morons. Okay? Be careful, you're in conversation with the Yoink Master. Guys, it's not about yoinking, it's about understanding how things could be implemented in different ways. Now you ask because you have ulterior motives so you can yoink. No, it's not about yoinking. So, for example, the reason why I'm asking about this, okay, the reason why I'm asking about the skill tree. If you have level 1, right, you have one level in your game, and you play that first, the first level in your game. It's probably very easy. Now, you have this skill tree, you unlock everything in the skill tree. You just need to place one tower and it defeats the entire waves. The entire level, just one tower, because it's so powerful. Because that's what I have in my game. If I were to give my units crazy buffs on the skill tree, or the passive tree, then it's just going to obliterate the waves easily. It's not about yoinking, it's about standing on the shoulders of giants. Guys, I'm asking specific questions because I hate the interview style where you talk about generics and you just essentially suck each other's dicks and talk about how good certain things are without going into actual specifics of game design, because I hate the fact that with generics, most people can't really tell what they're actually talking about. It just sounds good. To give you an example of what I mean by that is when we watch the interview about Animal Well and the creator got asked questions, and the person that I was asking questions was asking generic questions like very deep game mechanics and staggering game mechanics. And then he never went into detail on a single game mechanic and gave an example on how that was staggered across the game from start to finish, so that one person that was watching it maybe didn't play the game, me, okay, yeah, very specific still, could identify that, oh, I see, so he had it like this and then he broke it up into these pieces. And so I'm asking very specific questions because I think it's more fun, okay? So shut the fuck up. Okay, bitch? Okay, now, Minoka is gonna get a second ban. Okay. 5 minutes. Anyone on Twitch wants to get banned? I don't want anyone to show code. Me, Kappa. When code interview, I have the feeling that Coffee Lava doesn't want to do it, guys. I don't want to put him on the spot, but I'm gonna talk about him tonight and then I'll give you a definitive answer tomorrow, okay, guys? Is it raining? Holy shit, it's raining. Goodness. Cakez is just asking very specific questions that coincidentally apply to his current problems. I solved my problems already, though. I'm not gonna change now that I have new information. Are you stupid? I have found a problem to the problem. No, I have found a solution to the problem. Now I'm interested in how others do it, as to think about it in the future whenever I revisit the problem in a different game. Okay, bruv? Goodness, man. It's 10 degrees here, but I see 20 degrees next week. But that's fine, bruv. So, let's see. The tower applies burn on the enemy. For example, turn 10 burn per shot. It adds up. But burn damages every second, based on the stack amount divided by 5. So wait, if you have 10 burns on the enemy and you divide that by 5 every second, that's 2 damage. And removes this from the stack. Burn damages every second based on the stack amount divided by 5 and removes this from the stack. So wait. You burn an enemy for 10, that's 10 burn damage. then you tick for 2 damage.
Gotcha, bitch.
You tick every second. Ah, that's really smart. And so essentially like this, right? Thank you very much for following, my brother. Good morning. Welcome there. Hope you have a great day. So let's say we're talking about burns, right? We have a time here, and I don't know how you tick every second, right? T. And then let's say you have a burn somewhere on this timeline that started here. And it starts with 10. Now that it ticks here, it does 2 damage. And now it's 8 stacks. And so this here extends far to the right. Every time you tick, it does 2 damage. So this would be 8. No, wait, this would be 8, then 6, then 4, then 2, then 0 here. Am I in the way? I'm in the way. Sorry about that. And every time it would deal 2 damage. Wait, do you have a duration though? Now I'm confused. You have a duration. Wait a minute. So that's wrong, actually. You have a duration, which is, I guess, 5 seconds here. 5 seconds. And so you divide 10 by 1 second. So by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then, interesting. So, but what happens if, okay, you tick here. You deal another 2 damage. Now what happens? I guess if you inflict another bleed here. Sorry, not bleed. If you inflict another burn here. Burn. Of 20. Then it would take the remaining. So we have 8 here. Then we have 6 here. It would result in 26 here. And extend the duration. Essentially. Right? So burn. And let's say duration is 5. Over 5 seconds. 20 per 5 seconds, yeah. Then that would mean we effectively at this point here have a new one. Which, you know, extends further to here. Which starts out with 26. And on the next tick, it would deal, 26. How about, fuck, let's say this is 19, okay? 19, because then we have 25, that's easier to divide. So 25 here. Very interesting. And then it would tick, 25 divided by 5, it would deal 5 damage.
My wife wants to go outside right now and make a stroll with the baby.
Have fun! Goodness! And then it's 20 here. Smart! Wow, that's a really cool idea, actually. That's a very cool idea to do burns. And that's how you can essentially extend the duration. Wow, that's really smart, actually. That's some thunder, yeah. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. That is correct. Yeah, you got it now. Oh, so you have the total burn damage and then you just hit for 1/5 of it, reduce the duration by 1 second. And if the new burn hits, it adds the stacks and renews the 5. Yeah. No, you don't remove the duration. You do remove the duration, but you don't... you remove the damage, essentially. smart. Why didn't you think of this earlier, Cakes? Because I didn't think out of the box. That's really cool. That's a really cool idea on how to do burns. Cool. So, like, my question from earlier, like, I still want to ask you questions, bro. If it's fine with you. Cakes, read Coco's message. So if you have a total of 100 total burn damage, then you just for hit 1/5 of it, reduce the duration by 1 second. If the new burn hits, you add the stack and it renews. You add to the stack and renews the 5 seconds. Yes, but you also remove from the damage portion. You had 8, you had 10 here. That's some crazy stuff, man. The window right there. This window. Is Cake streaming from the toilet? Dang, I want to be there. Yeah, I love this too. I just love that as well. It's really cool. Cakes, I think it's time to redo your dots. I have a great idea how you can implement them. So, Ramis, you have angered the gods, Cakes here. Don't answer him, he's a yoinker, I don't mind, everything is a remix. You watched Pirate Software's short about it? Yeah. Who am I? I have another question. Which I find very interesting. So, you have the skill tree right here, right? And it definitely... No, I didn't. I see, because remix is something that people, or that he used in a short, where you have different types of games, you remix them, or the best parts of these games, you remix them in your own game, and... that's how you create your game, essentially. Cakes, when did you start streaming? Do you mean today or in general? Today, 35 minutes ago, and in general, I started streaming 3 years ago, almost. Not yet. Like 2 years ago and like 10 months. 2 years, 10 months, I think. It was? Something like that. In general. Yeah, 2 years, 10 months, something like that. Was it before or after Avenger Part 1 was released? It's a documentary I watched like 7 years ago. I see. So what I wanted to ask was, so you have this skill tree right here that makes your units more powerful. And now you have your first level in your game that's very easy, right? It's catered to the very beginners. You will smash through this level, no problem, because your units are so powerful. You can literally just place one tower and he can defeat all of the waves on his own, correct? This is what you get with this skill tree, essentially. This skill tree allows you to become so powerful that one tower is enough. Correct? Don't you think that's kinda bad? Because now your first level is too easy? Or do you like that idea of your towers scaling over time with time investment and you're just breezing through the first level, the first couple of levels? Do not mention balloons. What are you talking about? Cakes, I think it's time to redo your dots. Actually, I read that already. Not exactly. You can reduce the effectiveness of the skill tree. It doesn't have to be too OP. What does that mean? Oh, you mean like you're... Yeah, but judging by your burn stuff, for example. Judging by that... then you ultimately just triple your damage with burns, with one node. I would call that OP. So now you can invest into burn on your one tower, and he will just destroy any enemy that comes close. Like, I'm not saying that this is bad, I'm just asking, like, how do you think about it? And if you like have thought about this at all. Because like what I can do in my game, and I guess that's a very nice transition. I did something yesterday off stream. I played my game a little bit and I added something in that I call level requirements. Okay, so for example, you spend 1 point into shield orbs. Now you need to be level 5 to spend another point in it. Why do I do that? Because shield orbs becomes too overpowered if you just spend points in it, because the shield count goes up by 1 every time you spend a point in it. And so you get to level 5 or level 7. Actually, I think it's level 6. And then shield orbs is essentially this overwhelmingly overpowered ability that smashes through all the rounds. I think that's a bit too much. But I also have 4 different maps that become more difficult from 1 to 4. So you have 4 maps in your game? Wait. The most power is from the items you put on the towers. The towers themselves are less OP actually. Hello, hello. My name is Witty. Good morning. Happy coding day today. Yes, thanks. Thank you, man. It's like the items in Risk of Rain. I never played Risk of Rain. So what you're saying is the tower on its own without the item on it? This doesn't do anything. But I mean, gold on kill is still a stat. Like instead of generating 5 gold per second, you now generate 10 gold per second. That's how I see it. The green screen is off. Yeah, I know. The green screen is off. Interesting. Thank you, Rafi. I appreciate it, bro. Okay, I mean, it's fine. So, like, I could ask a million more questions. It does, but it doesn't make the tower 1v the entire map. But isn't it possible then for the one tower to buy upgrades faster? And so buying upgrades faster means power earlier, means more damage earlier? That's how I see it. So, like, to give you an example. For example, I could have a node here that just gives me physical damage. So instead of the projectile speed here, we do physical damage. Where's that? Am I blind? There we no. Physical reflect. There we go. Physical damage. And then it gives me, I don't know, 50. It's a bit much. I know. It is a bit much. But let's say, like, the reason why I'm saying this is because, well, this could be the entire skill tree, right? Give me 50 physical damage. I mean, it can 1v the entire map if you put the correct items on the tower.
Touch? No.
But there's 100 plus items to choose from, so you need to be lucky as well. Oh, CubeX1, thank you very much for subscribing, man. I really appreciate it. Welcome. Thank you so much for the support, man. So wait, how does that work? Maybe, well, wait, like, okay, let's see here. Steam. Actually, I want to take a look at this here. What was it again? Fuck, I forgot the name, guys. Totally forgot the name. Shit. Crystal Guardians, thank you. Hi, welcome, bro. Welcome, first message. Hello there. I just have to take a look at this. You know what's funny, guys? This game had a higher player count than Concord. No, actually not. Is it? No? Let's see. No, Concord not, but what was it? The other game, the woke game. What was that game called again, man? The Dead on Arrival game. What was the game called again? Dustborn, yeah. Exactly. Into the dust. It's funny how the all-time peak of 83 is worse than Galaxy Guardians. Why can I not remember the name, man? Crystal Guardians. I'm sorry. He even has the top. Yeah. Oh, you have a prologue. Oh, you have a prologue. Did you see the list of DI games, Cakes? Yes, I did. You had more players, bro. That's really cool, man. So you're gonna continuously update the game. What do people not like about your game? Who am I? What are people telling you to do? And how long can people spend time in your game? What is the average playtime? You wanna share some data without showing like any screenshots? For example, my demo version on Steam is terrible, okay? I have a terrible version on Steam. Looks really bad, plays really bad. And people play this for 6 minutes. The median playtime. How long do people play your game? 94% is really good. 6 hours, 25 hours, to 50, 30. Holy, 21, 28, 90, whole 100. Damn. Fantastic little 2D, made by a single dev. If you enjoy the genre, give it a shot. There's enough randomization and customization to make this an interesting spin. I just wish we didn't have to fully beat normal mode to unlock other modes. Custom maps were just added, so maybe that'll alleviate the grind. Balancing is still an issue.
Gotcha, bitch.
I see. Median playtime is 6 hours. Oh god. Okay, so this guy is 100 times better than me, guys. Let that sink in. He is 100 times better than me. Average chatter. No, 60 times. No, 100 times, you dumb idiot. Because it's 6 hours and 1 hour is 60 minutes. And one... He's right, though. You're right. Sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm gonna ban myself. I'm sorry. I'm an idiot. No, I'm an idiot. Times 10. Times 6. It's 60 times better. He's 60 times better, guys. Not 100 times. Is he though? Wait. Yes, 60 times better. Mortem and show respect. He's actually infinitely times better than you because this game is playable. My demo version is playable too. You're wrong, bitch. Oh, only 60 times better? That's okay, yeah. Are you also from Germany, Netherlands, close neighbor? Oh, cool. Welcome. Hello, Shrubtor. Good morning. Balancing is still an issue. Okay. Damn. So long. People play this for so long. Crazy. Guys, should we play the prologue? Crystal Guardians prologue. Make some research? We could go and try to play the prologue. Oh, we have a demo version as well. Why not? Yes, don't play the prologue, but the demo, that's more updated. Okay. Yeah, Steam's installed. Yes. Better to yoink, research? Yeah, research, yoinking, all of that. True. Yeah, we're gonna play this now, guys. I'm interested in this. This seems very successful. 92 reviews. 6 hours median playtime. Pray that there are no bugs. We're done, guys. We can play. Let's play. Elden Ring. Elden Ring. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna play Elden Ring soon, okay? I promise. Let's see. Hopefully I can open up the window on my second monitor, because this is the second. I can't. I can. Cool. Smart. Welcome to the demo version of Crystal Guardians. Thank you for playing the demo. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do, consider buying the full game. The game is still in early access and actively being developed. Drop your feedback, bugs in the Discord or in the Steam discussions. Buy the full game on Steam, Discord, Reddit, report a bug. Smart. Smart. What is this? Oh, this shows all of the items. Wait. They're all unlocked? No, this is what I have, and this is what I can get. Unlock condition. Defeat at least 10. Oh, I see. That's the condition. Okay, interesting. Maybe make 500 kills with a single boulder tower in a single match. Ah, cool. That's a cool idea, man. Wait a minute. So, isn't this a little too deterministic? Do you think that... So I have a question for you. This item is definitely for... Huh. Do you think it would be cool if the unlock condition is hidden? Or would that be annoying? Actually, it gives you something to do. That's really smart. Unlockables are cool. Let's you explore some... playstyles to unlock something. Yeah, and he tells you how to get them, right? I just found your videos on YouTube. Nice to see people like you who are in the same boat like me. I'm in the earlier stage of my game dev on my project. Anyway, rooting for you. Thank you. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Just don't read. Did you ask about marketing yet? I wasn't here at the start. Who am I? How did you do your marketing? What did you do for marketing? Now, I would assume that this is how you did marketing? No, you didn't do marketing with this. That's not enough members. Maybe you posted some clips of your game? On how long do you work on one ability? On one item, heavily depends. Some items are flat damage, that's easy. Some have their own VFX, which takes a bit more time. In terms of hours, how long? He put posters at university. Did he? Really? Cakez, I have a question on collision. Continues. Do you use a library? Collisions continues. I'm just about to add some of them to my code base. No, I don't use a library. I have my own. I made a couple Reddit posts, TikTok, but mostly prologue plus demo plus Steam Next Fest. Told you guys, Steam is already... So wait. Let's do that. Reddit Crystal Guardians. Roguelikes. Crystal Guardians Early Access released. Hello, I just released the free version of my roguelike tower defense game. Yeah, we're gonna figure this out, you know, guys? We're gonna figure this out. 7 upvotes. Not too much. Yeah, because you don't really show something that's unique here. Maybe the skill tree. But people have seen this. Okay. So the reception was reasonable. Yeah, okay. That was a bit better. The same screenshots, are they? Kinda, almost. In roguelikes, you said...
Long life, Charles.
Crystal Guardians Prologue.
Game demo. Marketing.
And it was made by
Steam
Fun
Next
Significance. Is
All
that the
skin.
same one here? Yes.
Don't
so I
be
guess I
afraid
can go
of
here and
more
look at your
marketing
posts,
and
can
you'll
I?
Be stronger. Good
Most
game
recent
will
trailer.
sell
Oh my god.
nonetheless. The money will come to you.
Game programming. Interesting. It's crazy. You can just look at this. Oh wow, wishlists. Damn, my game has also reached 3,000 wishlists. Very well. Very nice. Yeah, this stuff was good. That one was kinda okay. 17 upvotes is okay. Oh, 50 upvotes. That is a trailer. Okay. This probably got like over 100 views minimum, right? 1,000 views minimum. How many views did this get? Views are very important here. Okay, so this is what you did to post about your game. A lot of Reddit stuff. Hello, I just released a free version of my roguelike. Oh, these are answers, of course. And then these are posts. Releasing free version called Crystal Guardians Prologue, yeah. Oh, what is this? Check out the demo of my game 10 months ago. Okay, cool. Cake streams are like Truman Show. He has no idea what's happening. You're banned. 5 minutes. Bitch. Alright, move on. Interesting. Cool. So this is what you did, and then TikTok, right? TikTok. Crystal Guardians. Let's figure this out. Ah, Crystal Guardian? Is that it? Probably not. That's not it. Nope. Crystal Guardians Pokemon. Crystal Guardians. 600 views. Their only job is to protect. Nope. That's not it. Crystal Guardians? Crystal X Guardians. I'm scared that I click on something here and I get banned. Mostly Steam, and I did see a big increase on the Wonderbots YouTube video. Wonderbots? Crystal Guardians. Crystal Guardians is my ideal rogue light tower defense. 24,000 views. Cool. This guy has 500,000 subscribers, and I guess he's playing. Is this just gameplay or is this cut?
Everyone, Wonderbot here, and welcome to Crystal Guardians.
Yeah, it's he played for an hour, right? Did you pay him? Or like is that like advertised, or did he play this on his own? Because he says get the Crystal Guardians Prologue here. It doesn't look like he is sponsored at all, so he just played it for fun. Cool. Yeah, so like small YouTubers played my game too when I released. And if your game is a bit bigger, usually there will be some YouTubers who play your game. That can help a lot. 21,000 views is a lot. Yes. Cool. Very nice. I didn't send him an email, but he played it some different time, I think. I see. Cool. Yeah, so guys, Steam does a very good job at marketing your game on its own, if your game is good enough. And so you can see, like, comparatively to my game gets advertised too. And if your game gets advertised too, but you don't see any wishlist additions, well, maybe it's because people just don't find it interesting. And so Steam decides to promote your game less. And so what you should do then is to figure out why people don't find your game interesting. Because it's constantly being advertised. There's always impressions shown. There's always this picture that's going to show up on people's Steam pages. Then they click on this maybe, and then they see this and they're like, oh, no, that looks like shit. I don't like it. You know, and so Steam is actually marketing on its own if you have a Steam page. I can't stress this enough, how important in terms of feedback your own Steam page is. And that should be done, that should be something that you do very early on. That's why I have mine too. I actually should update my Steam page as well, which I did not do for a long, long time. It's been 2 years now. And we'll update it soon, okay? We'll update it soon. I have some cool ideas in terms of screenshots that I want to show. But yeah, that's beside the point. We're talking about Crystal Guardians now. Hopefully you can take something away from this because it's really cool. We're going to play the game now and see if we cannot learn something here. Okay, I clicked on, what is this? Progression? Aha! This is the skill map. Interesting. Huh. Interesting. Do you guys hear the sound? Sounds awful a lot like my button sounds too. Inventory space for all towers. That means one item. I can't get this because I don't have any levels. On the top left here, I don't have any points. And oh, you can always reset. You will lose 50% of all. Why? Do people complain about this, by the way? Who am I? I think I wouldn't do this, but like I'm not the developer of your game. Like, so you essentially lose 50% of your progress when you reset? Yeah, I need to rework that. Some people complain indeed. So why do I say this? Who am I? So if you take a look at Vampire Survivors, you can always reset without any costs. And that is really fun. You can try out so many different builds. And sometimes it's about meta progression there, but it's essentially the same thing here. This is meta progression. And I think you're just hindering the exploration of players with this. So for my game, I decided to have a reset button as well, which I have not implemented yet. And it allows you to spend skill points again. I don't know how many skill points you can earn in your game. Whether you can fill out all of the skill tree or just some of it, but it's cool. Your current level, that's probably the player's level, right? Item cataloged, we saw that. Leaderboards, wonder why that's grayed out. Maybe that's coming in the future. Cool. Camera panning speed, display FPS, video settings. Yeah, it's fine, that's okay. Maybe the master volume is a bit low. I don't know. Can't really tell. You guys tell me if it's too quiet. I don't hear any music. Is that normal? A normal mode. Okay, so what do we have here? How many levels? Custom maps. Under construction. So there is stage 1 and stage 2. These two stages are available and then you can do hard mode on those as well. Normal mode 0. Okay, let's see. Let's just play. Is the demo version the full game or what is locked in the demo version? Love to catch you another insightful Cake 77. Wait, lovely to catch another insightful Cake 77 stream. Getting better together every day. True. True, Quack. Okay, I think it's a bit quiet. Let me test this really quickly. I mean, for you it is not, but for me. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Oh wow, that's a lot of UI. Yeah, okay, what shards, gold, enemies left, wave, handbook, game settings, video settings. Skip tutorial, move the camera. WASD. Oh wait. What the no! Attack. Hey! Hey! I'm losing! What? Okay, so I accidentally clicked something that you're not supposed to click, it looks like. Yeah. How do I click on this tower? I did something. Rotate the camera. Okay. There is a lot of tutorials on the left here. It's time to build your defense. Shortcuts. Shift and 1. What the fuck is that? Oh, wow. Okay. Can I cancel out of this? Spiked tower. It shows me where I can place this guy. Can I rotate? Yeah, we're getting there, guys. We have a bomb. I wonder what that is. It shows the attack radius. I have a question. Just a question. Why is middle mouse not the one? Why is middle mouse rotating? And why is right dragging? Isn't it always inverted in other games? Or is that because you want to have a mobile version for your game? I find it a bit confusing that right click is dragging and middle mouse is rotating. Like, usually that's inverted. Boulder tower. I want the boulder tower, guys. Holy shit. What is his range? Huh? Can I not place this guy? What is his range? I don't see his range. Is that a bug? Is that normal? Empty. What does that mean, empty? What is empty? Huh? In order to make the tower function, you need to buy a crystal and place it on the turret. Buy a crystal with the shortcuts. Arcane crystal, fire rate, plus 20%, minus 10% damage effectiveness. Ah, so less damage and more more attack speed. 20% dot. And then damage per second in combat to 50%. Damage to burning enemies. Okay, that's very specific. I guess we'll go with poison. Okay. The game I played is how I implemented it. The games I played it is how I implemented it. Aha, so in the games you played it, that's what it was. I don't understand why these people make these weird decisions. I think that right click should be rotation and middle click should be dragging. That's how I see it. But anyways, let's go ahead and test the defenses by starting a wave. Yeah, actually, we started 2 waves. What happens? Ah, okay. Yeah. Why is he missing? Bro, if I had lost waves, I would have been so mad. Holy shit. All right, let's see. Spike tower. I want to do a spike tower. Oh, can I put it here? Oh, I can. Okay, so just removing the trees here. Wait, I can spam all of the towers. Look at this, guys. Boulder tower here. Let's put another one here. Big guys. We have 900 monies. Fire rate. Yeah. And then can I put this here more? Oh, no. Can I? Actually? Can I? Oh, no. I clicked. Hey, no, I didn't mean to do that. Why? Why did the wave start? Hey. Bro. Stop. What happened? Dun-dun-dun? Guys, we got a message. What is this? What is this exclamation mark? Easy. Okay. That was easy. You survived your first wave. Be 2 more waves. Okay. Yeah. That's chat, by the way. I have a cleaver, by the way. Can I put it on this guy? What happened? Eh? What the fuck was this? What does this belong? You have unlocked a lighting tower. Where's that? I don't see a lightning tower here anywhere. Where's that? Reroll items. What does that mean? Gold per kill. Poison. How does that work? Do I put it on the towers? Huh. Speed up the game by using the controls. Do we have a button for this? Here. You received a bunch of random items. Click on an item with a question mark to roll the item. Aha. 66 damage percentage. Place an item on a tower. Oh, I couldn't do this earlier, I guess. Eh? Eh? I thought I did. Eh? Wait, so maybe because I already have a crystal on the tower here? Wait a minute. I gotta test this here. I don't have money. Shit. I can do this guy here and then put the weapon on this. Okay. I need to make my tutorial more foolproof. Like, okay, like it doesn't tell me how to put an item on the tower. Click on the tower, it opens the menu. Oh, I see. And then I guess this is the item slots here. So, oh, wait, I want this guy here. This guy is supposed to get 66 damage. Oh, wow, 134. Hello there, baking bread. Good morning. Hope you're doing good, bruv. We're playing a tower defense game for research. Poison. Oh, and wait, 55% attack speed, bruh. 50%. That's crazy, bro. All right, play. How do I play? Wait, what is this red thing here? Is that a bad thing? Wait, they're fast. Oh, wait. No, that's because the twice the speed. If I lose, the game sucks. By the way. Hey! Come on! Bro! Kill them! Red means harder wave? Okay. Ooh, okay. What do we have here? We need more damage on towers, guys. This guy doesn't have poison. This guy has poison. Increased damage by every one attack speed? For every one attack speed? Attack speed. That's bad. This guy. Hey, what the fuck did you... Huh? What? How did I kill my tower? Bro! You triggered the bomb? It wasn't a tower? Oh my god, it was a bomb. Why is it listed as a tower if it's a bomb? Cakez can't read. Cakez can't read. It is listed under the list of towers, bro. So I would assume that it is a tower. Projectile tower. We're gonna place it projectile tower here. I don't have money. I don't have money. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Gold per kill. We need to have gold per kill here. Burn damage, I guess. Yeah. You're right. It should be at the right of the towers, but it's mixed somehow. See, guys, I'm giving him examples. Spacebar, play? No. We need to figure out, okay, where do we let the enemy spawn from? I have more towers here, so I'm gonna go in this direction, I guess. Can I click on enemies? No. So what does that mean? This guy has 5... No, wait, how many bars is that? 8 bars. Wait, that's more. That's like 9 bars. Hey! What is bring? What does that mean? Always these brings. Hmm? Is that a new item? No. What does that mean? Dude, kill them! Oh, this guy's poison resistant, is it? Kill him. Come on. Come on, man. Uh-oh. This game sucks. I'm losing. This bullshit. Ah, come on. Do I have a target priority on towers? Target priority. Sort the items. Items, move all items to the main inventory. Target, there we go. Target first, last. Oh, that's smart. The most current health, yeah. That's what I want to target. The highest max health. No, yeah, this guy. Because this is my most powerful tower. How do I upgrade this guy? Reach tower level 10. Pay to level up this tower. Wait. I didn't get stats. It just leveled up this tower. And it didn't give me any additional stats. So I just wasted my money. Really? I did extra poison. It did extra poison. It did. Oh, I didn't see that. I see. Okay. All right. Play. Yeah, let's go here. Come on, man. I can't lose. We have a new item. What does that mean? Critical strike chance. This guy needs to always attack the strong guy. Come on. What did I just get? You have unlocked the fire thrower tower. Available from next run. Ah, I see. It's a little... Hey, I'm losing. How do I lose? Come on, bro. That sucks. I like that. I like this screen. Total damage dealt. The burn damage dealt. Poison damage dealt. 18,000. Total non-crit damage dealt. Wait, so this is the total damage. Wait, how's that work? So tower stats. I had press enter to continue. This is covering the. By the way, there's this UI bug. By the way, here, guys, we're gonna continue. We're gonna play again. Okay. It's bugged. Yeah. Maybe you know about it. If not, no, you do. So how does it work? He did 9,000 poison damage, 82 crits, I guess. Wait, how does that work? Non-crit damage? What does that mean? So because this doesn't add up to 21,000, so 18,000, then we had 1,800 burned crit damage, and I just... Okay, I mean... okay. Bro, it's just one tower you're looking at? No, I'm not. This is the entire stats. I think you're stupid, right? Galaxy Media? This is the entire stats. Okay, sir? And then here is the tower stats. Okay? Nope. And it looks like, wow, this tower was really strong. I put all of my items on this tower, and this guy was just... Wow, this guy was just way more powerful. What happens, by the way, who am I, if you place 2 of these types of towers? Will it list all of the different towers here in a list, and you can scroll down endlessly? If I had, let's say I had 10 towers, right? 10 towers wouldn't fit here. It will just be a scrollable list. I think I like that. I like this a lot. Yeah. I think I like it. So that's what I'm going to do too, by the way. And this is not like yoinking or anything. What I thought about was to merge the different types of towers. No, not to merge the same type of tower into one stat. But I think it's better if I just have a list of all of the different towers and how much damage they did. New in stream and instant yoink? Yeah. Cool, continue. Let's try this again. What is this? Reach less than or equal to...
Great to be back.
So
to my
you're giving me...
stream. Please keep your functions shorter than 5 lines.
Big retard, don't help.
You're telling me I get an achievement for reaching low health? I'm giving you an item for failing. Okay, great. Would be cool to see what I got here though. Like, why can I not see this? So I got this thing right here. It doesn't tell me what it is. And this one, I guess these are the items, correct? I don't get any... Wait, so I got this and this and this and this, right? Return to main menu, restart run. He's been interviewing the past hour. He's played the demo. Yeah, I'm interviewing the developer of this game. And I like doing this. I love this. You guys enjoy this too? No? Do your progression stats. Progression. Oh, we have 8 levels. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. Damn. Okay. I see. That's how we could do meta progression, guys. Guys, I have an idea. I have a nice idea, I think. Fair is fair, Cakes. Now you have to let Who Am I play your game today. My game is not ready. Why would I let him play my game if it's not ready, bro? You stupid? Iffy? This guy is a moron, isn't he? Wow. He's gonna play my game later when it's done. That's a lot, yeah. So I think we're gonna go here. And then...
Gotcha, bitch.
Would be cool if there was music in this menu too, but I guess you don't have it yet, right? It's early access. It just feels so... You feel so left alone, like in the void, right?
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you guys for following. Actually, Galaxy Media, you're banned. You followed again. Like, you keep pissing me off. And I'm not yoinking anything, okay, bitch? So, it's called a remix. 5 minutes. 10 minutes this time. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Gotcha,
damage for all towers. Yeah, I want damage and then experience for towers, because that allows me to... Oh, wow. I think that's OP. Wait, so experience gained. Oh, I can't respec. Can I reset all? No. No. I hate that. Like, I hate that. I'm sorry, but I hate this. 10%. Okay, well, fine. We go here. No, I don't like it. It's fine. Okay, let's go back. Last Epoch, yoink. No, I think, like, my opinion on Last Epoch is that it's shit there too. I hate that. I lose time because... Why? Why? Because I want to test out some different things? Because I want to explore? No. I think that's bad game design, in my opinion. So Last Epoch is doing a terrible job with that too. And I think Path of Exile as well. For the record, by the way. Path of Exile changed it this time, where you have to spend a little bit of money to, you know, now you can respec much easier. And I love that change. But before then, it was bad. I'm not sure. Being in chat is more relaxed. No, that's fine. And you don't have to, like, come to Discord. I think it's okay. Okay, move the camera. Why do I have to repeat the... Bro, why do I have to repeat the tutorial every time, bro? Can I skip this? Like, it's annoying. It's starting to get annoying. He doesn't see the buttons. This is crazy. No way. What? Which buttons are we talking about? Huh? It was on the first pop-up? Yeah, but it's gone now. I saw it. I was too slow. I was too slow to click it, bro. I'm sorry. 50% fee is bullshit? Yeah, I think so too. But he's gonna change that. Restart run and skip it. Okay. Skip. Let's go! Oh, God, I love this. All right. We are going to use a poison boulder. No, actually, boulder tower was bad. We're going to use a spike tower. He needs to have enough. Guys, we're going to do it like this. Watch this. It doesn't fit. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. It's fine, it's fine. Guys, there was a strategy. Shit. Burn damage. God damn it. Projectile tower, yeah. Put it here. Why can't I put this here? Bro. Maybe here? Why do I not see the range of this tower, by the way? Is it so high? Where's the range? I'm confused. I'm confused. And so this one wants to have this type of crystal, it looks like. Because it says so, and then we don't have items, and I have more money. I guess I'll wait. Play. Range is different per crystal put on? Uh-huh.
Am I so out of touch?
I see. Wow,
No.
this is...
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Thank you, Mr. Amida. I really appreciate it, bro. Is the developer able to make a living of the game? Mobile gamer? The developer is in university still. So I don't know. Are you making a living of the game? Who am I? Like, can I ask you about sales numbers? Or do you want to keep this private? Okay, guys, we have a new item. That is poison. I kind of want to go here. Give this guy poison. Guys, this will be the tower. Pay to level up the tower immediately. We got more attack speed. Oh, wait. Huh? I get 0.01? For a level? And I spent 300 gold on this? I'm starting to feel like upgrading towers is not the way. Leveling up towers. I'm starting to feel like you should just place towers and put a bunch of crystals in them. If I was not a student, maybe living For maybe living frugal for 1 to 1.5 years. So what, with how much the game has made you now, you could live for 1 to 1.5 years with the income that you have made. If you were not a student. What does frugal mean, guys? Frugal. Living frugal. Okay, let's continue here. I'm still confused with the controls. On the streets. Being cheap. Okay, yeah, thank you. And I'm gonna ban Rico for lying. There we go. Okay, this map is really easy so far. Okay, let's go next. Yeah, we're making good progress here. I'm not gonna spend money on a bomb. What is this? I wonder what that means. What did I just get here? What is this? Is this items? I got an item! Damn! Bro, here. And another item. +5 range. Hell yeah, wow, that's a lot. Damn. Look at that. It's not the truth. He's not living in the streets. Frugal means being cheap. Change category? No. Because we are taking a look at this game from a game development perspective. So absolutely not. We're talking to the developer. It's an interview at the same time as playing the game. So why would I change from game development? This is game development, bro. We're talking about different aspects. Okay, game name. No, I don't want to give you the game name right now. Okay, bro? I don't want to give you the game name. Fine. I'm gonna give you the game name. It is... Oh, shit, I forgot the name again. Crystal Guardians. Hey, I'm losing! What do you mean? Okay. I earn absolutely no money, man. What the fuck am I supposed to do here? Like, I can just start more rounds. That's all. And I just get items, I guess. Attack speed. Wow, this guy is fully decked out now. Damn. Okay, I guess you get the attack speed. Unlocked. Have a tower with 4+ fire rate. Oh, you can't pause the game. P? Is there pausing? Eh? What was that? What the fuck was that? Go into a menu? Ah, I see. So I spent like 1,000 gold on one tower and I got to 0.01 increase in attack speed. And I just put an item here on this tower that gives me 50%. I feel like the levels for these towers, they are a bit underwhelming. The leveling is mainly for the abilities. Ah, reach tower level 10 to unlock. I get it now. I see. What game is this? This is Crystal Guardians. Totally did not need to look up the game. Interesting. I don't really earn much money, even though I'm killing all of the enemy waves. Interesting. That's 3 times the speed. I have a question for you for the game. Who am I? Are you running the simulation of the game in the Unity's fixed time step loop? Or are you running it in the normal update loop? And how are you running the game in that loop? Do you use delta time to determine the step? Or do you use ticks? What do you use there? Let's see if he reaches the first boss wave. So, like, I don't have any customizability, bruv. Like, how am I supposed to... Like, I'm losing already. I'm losing again. Come on. Fuck. How? Bro, I don't earn money. I just can't earn money. We need another projectile, maybe a lighting tower. Let's put a lighting tower here. Oh, I don't have a crystal. I don't have money for a crystal, man. Fault of the dev, you have an empty tower? Yeah, but I don't have money for a crystal. Oh, I have another empty tower. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Fuck. Dev issue clearly, yeah. Normal update. Physics is only used for fixed using delta time. You can buy a crystal. Yeah, I could have bought a crystal, I know. Don't money. Trap and Harris. It's gonna work, guys. It's gonna work. Believe. 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 Fuck! Great stream, by the way. Very interesting. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it, bruv. I really do. Thank you, man. Oh, wow. I have a lot of... Wait, I have to reset this every time? Tower experience sucks, guys. I'm gonna go for damage. Oh, gold at the beginning of the game? What? Attack speed? Tower cost? What are you talking about? That's insane. This is literally OP. What the fuck? Chance for double damage. Ignore armor. What is that? Attack speed for all towers. Damage for all towers. Range, damage. Tower XP. 2 points. Yeah. The Dev Dad, thank you, by the way, for the raid. Welcome, everyone. Hope you had a good stream. Good morning. OP, he's still gonna lose. If I don't lose, you're banned, by the way. Okay. You're being toxic. What? 1% chance. Okay, plus 1%. Okay. Damage. Tower damage. Okay. Let's go back. Wait, it resets every time. This is some PoE tech trees. Yep. New run. Normal mode. There we go. Some of those are only specific crystals, you might have noticed. So I have 3,000 gold right now, guys. I have 3,000 fucking gold. I literally have twice as much gold right now. What bro, like, can you even win this without investing into the skill tree, bro? Alright, let's see. We're going to do a spike tower, because that one dealt a lot of damage. We're gonna use a projectile tower, because that one did a lot of damage. And then we're gonna use 5% damage on this guy. And then we're gonna use... because there's a projectile tower, right? The projectile tower has damage. Oh, does it deal poison damage? No, it's dealing poison damage because it has a green crystal, right? No crystal attached. Okay, I guess we do fire rate on this guy. That doesn't look too much to me. And then I guess we just wait on items. So let's play. Let's spawn another tower, a fire thrower tower. I've never used one of these. I can put him here. Huh. I feel like putting the towers... Actually, I should wait. I should wait. Because then I can build the towers further out. Yeah, for example, I can put the fire thrower tower here now. And I think that's smart. And then we get dots on this guy. And then he does 1,000,000 damage, right? Oh, we have our first item. What do we get here? Steak! Health? Wait, can I put a steak? What happened? Huh? I didn't heal. This did nothing. Bruv. How? That's... okay, I mean... that's a little underwhelming. Okay. Ah, there we go. That's the burning we see. You guys want to know how the burning is done? Like this. We talked about this earlier. Really cool. Max health and increased your max health. Yeah, bro, but when you eat a steak, don't you think you heal at the same time? Also, we have some comments on YouTube. Is the developer able to make a living of the game? We talked about this earlier. Living frugally for 1 year with a 65 review is actually quite surprising. Actually, I want to see how expensive is the game. I never took a look at this. Ah, yeah, that's a reasonable price, I think. Yeah. I think you made a good price choice here. 13 euros, 79 cents, so that's $15, right? I think this is reasonable, yeah. You have a good game here. Maybe not as much stuff in there as Bloons, but it's 3D. And it is, it does have a very ironed out combat system, it looks like. You have very cool items, a lot of different items. Let's see, what do we have here? Hollow Knight price? I think that's fine, yeah? Gold per kill. Yeah, I wonder if this guy... Huh? I'm not gonna put a stake on this tower. What? I don't think this tower is gonna get many kills, but maybe I'm wrong. And I can only put 1 crystal on a tower, right? Yes. I wanna put another tower down. I got unlucky here. I can't place a tower here. Unfortunately. Game sucks. Like, this has got to be on purpose, right? This RNG here with this 1 nipple. Can I just not remove that? I don't want to put another flamethrower tower though. Let's put a spike tower here. Cake's strategy is he can't lose if he never starts the wave. Damage to armored enemies. Huh. Maybe we do this here. Yeah. This is, where's the armor penetration? In the stats? Resistance shredding. Percentage of enemy armor ignored. Yeah. Let's go here. Actually, he does get decent amount of kills. 14 gold per kill. That's insane, bro. Holy shit. I'm earning a lot of money now. Ah, come on. Another steak, bro. Like, come on. You can't do this to me, bro. What are you doing? The music is quite nice as well. Yeah, it is. Make a lighting tower. You like the visuals of that one? Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, let's do one. Maybe I can put him here and give him very high range. Damage per second in combat. Critical damage effectiveness. Damage to armored enemies. Maybe this. What is this? It's a blue thing. What just happened? Alright. Cool. Oh, another item. So we get 1 item per wave. That's really cool, man. Awesome. Health. Plus 5 health after every wave. So essentially, I see how it is now. So essentially we have this, what is a cheap tower? We have this flamethrower tower here. And then in this tower we put like a very cheap crystal. Like this crystal here. And then we just give this tower these items. And then I'm healing after every wave. Right? This is essentially like a, I don't know, a package tower, if you will. Okay, let's see. Deeps. Oh, I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have done this. This guy needs to kill them all for gold. Shit. I'm not earning enough gold now. Wait, no, actually I can get rid of this and put it here. Smart. Tell them $55,000 yearly. You can move the items here. The steak is from the deer in your game. Oh yeah, the steak is from here, by the way. True. Where's my game? The steak is from here. Smart. Alright, another item. Oh yeah, poison. But this is not poison tower. Actually, this one could be poison. I don't have it though. This, no. This one is armor shredding, so it needs to be here, I guess. All right, I think we're getting to the boss this time. How many waves till I need to do till I reach the boss, by the way? How much?
Clown TTS. My man, thank you for $3.
Super intelligence will now calculate the most clown person on Earth today. 50%, 75%, 99%, 100% calculation complete. Answer, Cakez 77.
Cakez is a clown and bends everyone. Cakez is the clown and bends everyone.
Cringe. Shit, man. I get poison here. Thank you very much for $3, bro. Appreciate it. I need to put another tower here somewhere. I guess we do a boulder tower. Huge range. Hell yeah, look at the range of this guy. And then we give him damage to armored enemies. Ooh, oh, hell yeah. Look at the deeps of this boy. Damn, bruv. How do I lose? If I lose, the game sucks. Hey! Hello, Cash Cat. Good morning. Alright, I think I'm good. Alright, we're gonna do another boulder tower, I think, because they have very nice range. I'm gonna put one here right next to this guy. We're gonna give him another armor penetration bullet. Actually, I want to extend here now. Okay, how many waves? Every 10 waves. Guys, we are on wave 8. Damn, look at that. We got another item as well. Damage for every 10% missing health on the main base. This item sucks. Rerolls random items. Oh, I see. How am I leaking? How the fuck am I leaking, bro? Hey! No! No! Shit. Lighting tower. Did I lose some? I didn't lose any life. Okay, good. Oh, I got 2 items. Cool. Have a 7% chance to stun an enemy on hit. 30% damage for every T1 item on this tower. Okay. Alright. Keep it. It has a lot of value in your strategy. That sounds very toxic. This lighting looks so good. I need to find a reason to implement that as well. Lighting? Chain lighting, bro. Chain lighting is cool. Very nice effects, by the way. I really like the lighting effects. I really do. Okay, guys. We need to survive this wave. And if we do... Oh my god. Who's this guy? Uh-oh. By the way, these look like Lego pieces. Very interesting. Hey! Bro! I can't lose.
Gotcha,
How the fuck am I losing almost? This is ridiculous. Okay, bro. Hey, wait. Is this a boss? Kill him. Kill him. Come on, man. Please. Kill him. Ah, he's gonna die. He's gonna die. Yeah. Oh my god, there's more. Alright, guys. We got to the boss time. How do I get no money from these blue guys? 5 gold? Come on. They should give more. Guys, they look like Lego mans. Okay, stop it. Increase for every 1% attack speed. Do we have one with very high attack speed? Nope. None of them has very high attack speed. Wow. Okay, what is this, by the way? Can I put something on here? No. I wonder what these are. I guess I'll put it here. Wait, 25% crit chance, 100% of crit chance is translated to attack speed. Ah, smart. Mm-hmm. Minecraft also looks like Legos, man. Anyways, okay. Okay, wave 10, guys. Right? Play. Where's the boss, though? Uh-oh, zombie horde. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Why do they have blue HP? What does that mean? What? They don't take any damage. What? Hey! Do I have a tower level 10? They are level 3? Guys, I'm gonna lose. 100%. There's no way I can win this. Absolutely not. I don't even have enough money to place another tower. Maybe another projectile tower here. With fire rate. I'm losing. I'm losing. Ah, that's some bullshit. The game's too hard, bro. The game's too difficult. No. This sucks. Ah, it's some bullshit. Yeah.
Gotcha, bitch.
God damn it. How did I lose? How? Huh? I don't understand. Wait, I didn't lose. Guys, I have 30 HP, bro. We can still win. Nice. Awesome. Calculated. Yeah. Good. 2 new items. What do we have? Burn damage. Yeah, you put this here. And then missing health on... Oh! How much missing health on the main base do I have? Like 90%? That's like 100% more damage. Nice. I hope... Wait, but why doesn't this increase the burn damage? That doesn't make any sense. Wait, that's not good. I shouldn't put it on this guy then. I should put it here. Holy! This is probably OP now. Right? I don't think I want to put it on the boulder tower. They deal... Wait, who kills the most amount of enemies? Yeah, the lighting tower. We need to make that lighting tower go big dick. Let's see. 30% damage. Is this a tier 1 item? It is, but it's only 30% more damage. What is this? Chance to stun an enemy. Actually, let's give him the biggest deeps we can. Crit chance. But I only have... That's bad. Is it though? Actually, that's fine. Hard, medium, easy, and duelist cakes. What are you talking about, bruh? Increased damage for every 1 attack speed. I guess we'll put the poison. Can I do that? Can I put this? And then we give it the 30%. 190. Guys, I think... Yeah, I think that's it. And then this guy stuns. Or maybe... the flamethrower tower stuns because he has a very high attack speed. Yeah, we need to have stun on high attack speed targets. Is the game... is this game's developer's first commercial release? Yes, it is. He's still in university. Studying. So it's really cool to see this. It's heavily inspired by... Aha! So this is the boss, right? Wave 10? Or are we on wave 11? Have we beaten the boss already? What is this mana, by the way? Experience. Ah, this is your experience progression, I see. Wow, 300. Take a look at that, guys. Holy, I'm destroying these guys. Boom. Wow. Damn. Stunned. Yeah, actually, so smart. They're all getting stunned. Okay, target priority should be the first target here. Always. Oh, there's a boss here. He's stunned. Nice. I got a frost crystal. Okay. Kill them. Hey. How do I lose? Damn. Uh-oh, there's another one. Uh-oh. Come on, it's almost impossible to beat this, man. What the fuck? Ah, we got it. We got it, guys. We win. We win. Nice. Strategy, guys. So, you know, I got these 2 items that give me 10% more damage per HP lost. I essentially went to 1% HP on my main base. A friendly wizard has appeared. Ooh. Where? Here? No. Where the fuck is this guy? Maybe here? Am I blind? Where is the wizard? Main base, trade and promotion. What does that mean? Trade in... Okay. Bro, he can't be real? What do you mean? I can't see the wizard. I don't see it. No, I don't see it. Next to the main base? Eh? I don't see it. I'm not trolling. I'm not trolling. Guys, there is no wizard. In the sky? I'm getting coffee. Actually, I already have coffee. I need a break. That's some bullshit. I'm getting a banana. Content brain? No. It didn't say, like, absolutely not. No. So. Okay. Banana before coding? Yep. Yes, sir. Oh! What? Shots? Fuck you. Fuck you and your steaks, man. The wizard sucks. I hope he stays, though. I want the poison damage, but I don't have shards. Can be exchanged at the wizard. Yeah, but how do I gain them? You can reroll items on main base. I see. 66% damage. Oh. Yeah. Ha! 200. Holy shit. And then we put the burn damage. Here. And the poison. Here. And this gets rerolled. I need 2. No. This is dumb. This is stupid. We're not doing this. Absolutely not. Alright, guys. New wave. Easy game. If I have a tower that has very high range here, we could potentially hit these guys while they spawn. 200 gold. We need a bit more gold. It's crazy how this one tower destroys them all. And these... I think these towers here are very weak because of their attack speed. Like, look at my tower. Look at this. It's OP. Plus 2 health. It's absolutely nothing. Look at... Oh, wow. What did I just get? What is this bling every time? It gives me this bling bling sound, but it doesn't show anything. What does that mean? It's a bit confusing to hear this. Cakez needs to stop playing good demos because now he will never feel like his own game is demo ready. No. No, this is good. This is important. What I get from this game, if I take a look at it from like the game development perspective, I want to have more enemies that are beefier, that last a lot of hits. Dude, can you die? Please? Thank God. Okay. You get more items the further you get into the... Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
Gotcha, bitch.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Is this for real? Like, this has got to be on purpose. If I get another steak, I quit. Okay. If I had gotten another steak, this would have been over. Okay. Holy, okay. 600 monies, guys. We can get another tower. I wanna... I actually like the lighting tower. But I feel like we need...
Gotcha, bitch.
Let's put a spike tower here. And the spike tower will be... No. Fire rate. Ah, that was bad, I think. I should have had fire rate effectiveness here. I do. Can I exchange this, by the way? Can I... Wait. Can I buy a tower and exchange their... I can! Ooh, wait a minute. So this tower has poison damage now. By default. And this tower... This is the poison tower though, right? Projectile tower. I see how it is. Okay. Bot on Discord and the memes channel and bet on the release date. 40 out of 200, 2,300 live complaints about health item. Bro, the health does not extend my minimum health. It's just giving me maximum health. So my current health isn't affected at all. I still don't know what to do with these guys here. They're all level 6, the towers. Not even level 10 yet. And it looks like the towers gain levels based on how much they kill. Which doesn't make any sense to me, because how are they level 6? They kill barely anything. This one kills the most and is only level 4. How does that work? How can I be level 4 and these guys be level 6? I feel like the leveling is a bit odd. How does that work? Who am I in your game? No, it was the first based on kills, but that's skewed to the power even more to high damage towers. Yeah. So how do you do it now? It's based on the amount of enemies in range per second. You want to know a really cool way to do this too? Maybe you want to do it that way? Because I feel like these two towers gain too much XP while they deal no damage. Oh no! I killed them! Shit. Shit. Hey, bro! No! Holy shit, man. Actually make it based on enemies that die in range? No, that is also bad, guys. So Bloons has a very cool idea on how to do this. And I have copied that from Bloons. You know how you spend money on your towers? And in this case, it would be money and items placed on a tower. So for example, this is the one tower that I want to be leveled. Or I want to be very strong. I keep track of the amount of money each tower has invested into itself. And then I use that to determine how much experience points they should get. So let's say I get 100 experience points. And I spent a lot of money on this one tower. Then that one tower will get the majority of the experience points. Sliced into a percentage value across all towers. So for example, this tower right here would still get experience points, and it doesn't matter whether an enemy dies here or he dies right next to it. It's all a matter of how much money did I spend on the tower. And that's not bad, guys. That's good. You're wrong, by the way. I wonder what these mean here. Let's speed up the game a bit. I think twice the speed is fine. Should still work properly, right? I would love to see this guy get to level 10, but I think that won't happen. Stun immune. Uh-oh. I'm losing. I'm dead. This game sucks. I'm dead. No! Fuck! Oh, who did the most damage? Who did the most damage? Poison... Damage. 80,000 here. 160,000 on the flamethrower tower. Holy shit. And the... Wow! The flame... Wait. So the flamethrower tower did more damage than the lighting tower. Look at this, guys. And then we have some 20,000 on those stupid boulder towers. And yeah, terrible. You should buy a bomb, idiot. Bloons must be sponsored. Must be a sponsored segment. Bloons mentioned +1. No, very cool. Very cool game. I would love to play more, but we also have to develop our game. Almost 2 hours into the stream. How would you rate your progress today, Cakez? From a scale to 0 to fuck all? A kind of toxic comment. I think your game is really good, man. It makes me want to play more. The only thing that I would change... I don't know why it reset, by the way. Did I click reset all, then cancel, then start a new game? I think I found a bug, bro. I think that if you click reset all, then you click on cancel, you start a round, and then you go back here. I think it resets. Maybe. Because you remember how the last time I was here, all of the points were unspent? That was a bit confusing because they should stay the way they are, right? I think it might be a bug or something else caused this to happen. But I definitely spent points in between 2 levels. Then I clicked on reset all and I was like, nee, hell nah. Cakez, ignore these haters. Yeah, I will. Enough work for today. Time for big reacts before we play Wukong after. Oh, man. I love playing tower defense games. I love them. I'm gonna play more off stream, you know? Really good game, bro. I wish you all the best of the luck. And so, to finalize this a little bit, okay? How are your sales coming along at the moment? They obviously slowed down, right? From the very beginning, where the game essentially had the explosion of sales. That's how it is with all games. What are you doing to keep the sales coming in? Are you actively developing the game? You're putting out updates? How frequently are you putting out updates? And how do you see the future? Like, what do you want to do in the future with this game? Or, excuse me, or with, you know, the income from this game? What are you using it for? You maybe, I don't know, like, it looks like, did you do all of the art yourself? Do you do the music yourself? Stuff like that. I'm not enabling song requests. Go eat a dick, bridge. Cocaine and hookers? True. I know that's a lot of questions. So I guess... Yeah, one by one. Basically became a billionaire and retire. Okay. Cakez basically become a millionaire and retire. Okay. Income is for my studies. I'm currently doing updates, mainly working on the 1.0. So wait, how much do you have to pay for your studies, man? Are you from... No, you're from Netherlands. You said that, right? So it's not USA. You don't have crazy student loans. Paying for university? Yeah, you do have to do that, yes. And so the updates keep the game flowing, right? Keep the game going. If we take a look at... Not in Germany, yeah, you still have some. We take a look here and the player numbers. We can see that here was an update, right? On the 3rd of August. Let's see, price history, metadata, packages, screenshots, achievements, update history. The 3rd of August. 19 days ago, 23rd of August. Eighth, 6th, 5th, 3rd. Small patch. No. Small patch. 3rd of August. I don't know why there was... Maybe there was a YouTube video then. Income is for my studies. I'm currently doing updates, mainly working on 1.0. No, but housing costs money. Ah, yeah, so you're not living with your parents, yeah. Cool. Removed screenshots, added screenshots. Can I see the old screenshot? Haha. So remove this one. And then you added this one. You tried to make the screenshots more cool looking. Smart. Nice. I don't see anything. Aha. This is probably like an old screenshot. What is this game called? This game is called Crystal Guardians. It's a tower defense game. We just played it and I am finalizing some thoughts on the game. There's some questions that, you know, maybe come up. He's been working on this game for about 2.5 years. It's his first game. It's made in Unity and he's currently updating the game, trying to get to 1.0. And the current version of this game is... What is the current version of the game? I don't even see the version here. Doesn't say. 0.5x. Okay. 0.5x is the current version. Cool. Yeah, I wish you the best of luck, man. Cool. Gets me excited for my game. There's a lot more stuff that I need to do in my game. No. But it's awesome to see, man. Has anyone seen Collector lately? Is he perma-banned? He's not perma-banned. I think he is not timed out. Let me see. I think... Why can I not see this? To pop it out, I see. How did you make continuous collisions, Cakez? I'm about to add them into my codebase. I don't have continuous collisions. Guys, I don't know where he is, okay? These were his last messages. Just spam. And he got timed out for this many seconds and he never got timed out after, so he's free. Poor guy's not banned. Do you have discrete collision? Okay, let's see. Let's go back to this here. So this is my game, my tower defense game. And we're currently working on gameplay. Collector Rage quitted. He left because of song request disabled. Ask him how he balanced the game dev work with doing reacts, playing video games. Many devs are stuck in a rut where they don't have an update after 2 years. How did he avoid that? Yeah, sure. He's working on his TD. So I don't have continuous collision. I have this type of collision. I can show you. Ellipse. I don't know, I just have this stuff right here. I take 2 ellipses and collide them. And I try to make the step in a way where I don't have so much speed that it doesn't collide. What's this engine? Looks like 20 steps backwards from the previous game. What about the shield orbs? The shield orbs use box collision. So not rect circle centered. It uses rect collision essentially. So I can show you how that looks. Let's place this and then enable colliders here. So you see how this red box is their rectangular collider. This is the position here for these guys, and I think actually they have an elliptical collider or like a circular collider. Let me see here. We'll see. We're gonna see it in a second. Yeah, I'm using a circular collider against a rectangular collider. Could be better. Like I haven't paid too much attention to this yet. So in theory, they can go through an enemy and miss the collision cakes. Yes. In theory, the collision can miss. Exactly. Now I will have a fixed time step at which I run the game at a fixed rate, and the projectile speed will not be so high that this will happen, but in theory it can, yes. If I wanted to have continuous collision, then what I would do is I would cast a race into the future and check if I'm colliding with any collider. But I'm not doing this for this game because I will not have that much speed happening. When do you think you'll start transitioning to a fixed time step? When I have gameplay in a way where people can spend like 2 hours in the game and still enjoy the game. When I have like a demo version out that people can enjoy for, let's say, 2 hours, and I updated my median playtime from 6 minutes to maybe an hour or something. Because what I realized now is that there will always be technical things that I could do for my game. But I try to actively practice the art of game development and gameplay feature richness, if that's a word, over technical correctness and better way of doing things, essentially. And that is really difficult to do, and I try to practice this on purpose. Because that is the #1 thing that will keep players in the game. If I use rectangular colliders on the shields, if my UI looks a little bit different than what it looks right now, I don't think that will sell the game more over a very fun gameplay loop that is well defined and supported by all of the different pillars of the game. Do you plan to sell your engine? My engine? No, I don't plan to sell my engine, no. I plan to make a big tutorial once I have released my game with my engine. But no, I don't plan to sell my engine. Like, I don't think it's... No, like, I just want to have my engine out there for people to use if they like using it. So, what I did yesterday, by the way, is I played the game off stream to test if I can beat the levels, if I can beat the game, okay, from level 1. And so I was experimenting with, placing different heroes. I also experimented with a bunch of numbers for damage numbers or font sizes here. I'm so ready for the Bloon series. I would make next Noita or RTS with it. What's the ripe orb for? Or are the amount of seeds you can collect capped? So what I think I will do, I might change this. We'll have to see. Because seeds might not be as interesting as gold in a game like this. I think, so here's what I think is crucial. And it has a lot to do with human psychology. I think humans like a gold icon here more over a coffee bean in this case, because a coffee bean doesn't mean much, and especially when you are trained to look at gold when you play tower defense games, your eyes always glance towards the gold, and it's yellow. Mine is brown. I have noticed when I played my game that I'm not really focusing on the seed aspect here too much, so I might replace this with money, actual gold coins, and then I will replace the rare drops with seeds or oranges, collecting small little oranges that look golden. Tangy bugs. Make a coin with a tangerine face. Yeah, something like that. Or just golden coffee seeds. It definitely needs to be something that's yellow or golden. Yes. So that's one flaw. And you might not think about this, right? Like, it does make sense. These are like seeds or something, you know, oranges, seeds. They have like these white seeds in them. So for example, this would be white. It all makes sense. But there's so much that goes into this, like psychology-wise. So yeah, I thought about this after playing your game. And I'm going to change that. Actually, I might change that right now. We'll see. But for now, I'm just gonna play the game. And so this is the round where I usually lose, by the way. It's because those guys are way too fast. They require a lot of hits. Yeah, so this guy leaks. You see this? We have at least one guy coming through, which is bad. So what I thought I could do is I need to nerf this in a way, because that's too easy to lose here. I do like how you made it so that the shields are level capped now, something to work towards. Yes, like this needs to be level capped. Otherwise, I could spend my next skill point on this and effectively make this skill too strong early on. And it would just destroy all of the waves easily. Welcome back, Mr. Almeida. So you're full-time indie dev now. Are you doing a full-time job too? I have 2 other jobs that I do next to this. Several. Because I cannot sustain myself with a game that is not out yet and streaming on YouTube as well. Like I need more than that, and so I work side jobs. Okay, so I think it's bad if I lose a heart that early on, and also the starting hearts of 5 is too low. This would be something for a hard mode. So let's go to, I guess, init level.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
So 40 plus hour weeks on other things? No, I spend about 10 to 12 hours on other things a week. And I spend the majority of my time on this. Yeah, I couldn't do 40-hour works. Like I've been streaming for 2 hours already. If I stream 4 hours a day, 5 times a week, now you can make the math how much time I have left for other things. I also have a baby, newborn baby, so that takes a lot of time too. We start with 20 lives, by the way, guys, now. I think that's better. And now we need to change round 2. Round 2 is too difficult. Cakez, I paid 20 cents to get recognized by Cakez Daddy. But he ignored me. Could you say... Oachkatslov? Eh? How is Zoe affecting your schedule? Well, there's something with, let's say something's wrong with Zoe. I have to take care of her before the stream. So for example, sometimes my wife needs to do something and then I couldn't just sit here streaming because Zoe maybe is crying. Or let's say in the evening when I work on a YouTube video, you know, I had have a recording and then Zoe needs time, for example, crying again, like always crying, right? And so then I would need to spend time taking care of Zoe instead of doing that. And so it's always, you do something and then 5 seconds later there's something coming up with Zoe, for example, right? And yeah, that's mostly what's been happening, you know? And then let's say there's something really bad happening. We need to drive to the doctor, of course, you know, have doctor appointments. She needs to have injections, whatever these are called. I always forget the name of these injections that help you get resistances against illness, stuff like that. Vaccines, yeah, thank you very much, Code and Agree. And just overall visits from Hebamme in English, people visiting, then family visiting. And so there's like a bunch of stuff that's happening. Yeah. And so it's very chaotic and I don't really have extended periods of time other than what I have with the stream now, because my wife's been very supportive with this, you know, allowing me to do this mostly uninterrupted. Obviously there's points, you have seen Zoe yesterday, you know, where we get interrupted, but yeah, that's just how it is, you know. So yeah, that's essentially how it is. The issue is this, guys, the time step, and maybe they move too fast. I should be able to beat them with these two guys, in my opinion. Do you have a goal in mind when it comes to your stream so you can go full time? Well, grow. I think this is every streamer's goal is to grow and ultimately have the stream be the one that supports you and have fun on stream. That's how I see it. I love streaming. I want to keep streaming. I wanna I wanna sell my game, of course. I wanna make games on stream, and I wanna play games. That's ultimately what I wanna do. You know, I wanna make a change in the gaming industry, and how can I do that? Well, by making games, and then maybe becoming famous enough so I can talk about different games, and then bring out my opinion. And then maybe some people will not buy certain games or buy certain games based on that. So maybe I have an influence there too. Or maybe I can inspire some other game developers to make cool games too. So that's how I see me as, like, that's my role essentially. Because I want the gaming industry to change because I hate it. Like, I hate Diablo 4. I hate what's been happening there. It could have been a really, really, really cool game. Now we have shit, you know. Selling something for like $70, which is just a fucking new class. Something like that, right? I don't like this. I hate it. It makes me mad. So you want to change the world? Yeah, I want to kind of change the world in that sense, yes. The gaming world. And I thought the best way to do that is to make games and become influential enough so that maybe I can make good games and have influence on other games as well. That's ultimately the reason. That's why I started making games, bro. Even before I started streaming. Streaming is just another how do you call that? Like another way for me to express myself. And I just like streaming, it seems like. So I just keep doing it because I like it. I like doing the YouTube videos. I like the reception. I like, you know, the comments, even though some of them are really toxic, you know, whatever, you know, just ignore these idiots and then just move on. Yeah, express these nuts. That's just how I like doing it, what I like doing. I know that I don't make crazy progress on the game every day. I know that. It bothers me. But ultimately, I want to play games too. I want to talk about games too. So, like, I gotta balance that somehow, you know? I think we had a lot of fun today. I keep forgetting the fucking name, man. Crystal Guardians. God damn it. I don't know why I keep forgetting it, man. Guardians of the Galaxy. Yeah, maybe it's because of Guardians of the Galaxy and I keep going back to that. Yeah, Goldfish, thank you very much for following. You have kept me inspired. I've been working on a game in Game Maker for 3 weeks now and I'm very new to this world, but we need more like you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, doing it for the enjoyment is important. Otherwise, you'll end up 7 years old and sad. No, so that's why I do it. I can't see myself doing anything else, man. I just get so bored doing other tasks. It's just, bruv. I'd rather sit on a video for YouTube that gives me 200 views than work something else, man. I just can't do it. And even like big chunks of money don't really motivate me. I just can't. Man. It's just... It's soul crushing, bruv. I hate it. You know, the coolest thing is I made a video about Black Myth Wukong and it gave me 200 views. And I was like, damn, that's 200 people that watched this. And there were some people that watched this for like 40 minutes or something. And I'm like, bruh, that's crazy. You know, I like that. You inspired me to make my game Cakez for the last 4 years. I got a lot of progress done. Demo soon. Shut the fuck up, bitch. And DJ Hellscream, thank you very much for following. My issue is that I like my day job. It's awesome, although there's something missing and eventually I'll have to try the indie route. I mean, why don't you do it right now? Why don't you do it before the job? Try it out. So you wake up at 4 a.m. and you, I don't know, work on something for a couple of hours, do some tasks, you know, maybe work in terms of time or work in terms of tasks every day. Build a habit and see if you like it or not. You know, force yourself in the beginning to build a habit. Once you have a habit, you just keep doing it. I'm gonna ban you, by the way, you know, the first one that wrote this. Did you read my message? Right after sending a message, I got a call. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I need to read it. Yeah, you spent money on this. It's like 20 cents though. I gotta increase the price of this. Okay? Me reading a message for 20 cents? I don't know, man. Appreciate your efforts, Cakez. I'm proud to be part of this community. I think you will have a bright future and hope that you won't get demotivated by people telling you you are just yoinking and stuff. I don't see a problem with including good features from other games. Imagine Tangy without these yoinked... So where are the actual real people that talked? Yeah, exactly. It's a lot. It's nice that you're managing it. Mine is growing, so I feel things are getting a bit more consistent. I might be able to slowly get a consistent schedule. Yeah. So with babies and schedule, it's really difficult. Aha, Luis, thank you very much for the first message. You know, copy paste the Renos in chat. I see that. You know, that's your first message for today. Yeah, it's gonna be that your first message. Copy paste the Reno spam. I see how it is. Cakez, in the real world, everyone yoinks. I'm not sure why it's blown up to such a big deal on this channel, because these guys are idiots. That's just how it is, bruv. You know, I've never made a game, you know, it's like, oh, I know exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, Cakez is such a dumbass. I've released 10 games. Imagine getting some coding done. Yeah, sure. I think 20 cents for a border on a message is fair. You read Mr. Almeida anyways. Yes, we are, because we watch Cakez. Shut the fuck. If we were not idiots, why would we spend so much time watching you? Okay, bro. Anyways, so round 2, guys. Round 2 is bad. It's too difficult. What are we gonna do about it? What do you think we should do? Maybe just play around with this. So you said, by the way, as well, are you still here? Who am I? You still watching? You said that for your game, the balancing is off too. And so what helped you the most with your game? In terms of balancing. You tried to balance the game in a way where it fits you, then you put it out to the public and people gave you feedback based on the balance and said that, oh, round X is too difficult, you need to make it easier, and round Y is too easy, you need to make it more difficult. Did you do that? Also, like, what does your spawning system look like? Do you have, for each round, you have a fixed amount of enemies that spawn and a fixed type of enemies? So you have like a list for each level in terms of enemies that spawn, and you design a level in a way. So wait, let me get this straight. Let me get this straight. So we played this, right? Whoa. Sorry. Can I play this now? Library? Just a quick question here. Cakez, I do not front you for yoinking. I agree that adding good features is good for the game. What is good about original game with not fun elements? True. When you do a new run, so I can only play this round here. This is one level. I don't know how many rounds there are, maximum rounds. When I'm done with this, this is the one that I can do when I buy the game. That is the second level. So you have 2 levels. Let's say 2 levels with 50 rounds or something. 50 is the finishing wave, but endless after that. Okay. So there's 2 levels implemented right now that go from round 1 to round 50. And then you have hard mode versions of those that also have. So essentially you have 4 levels. Is that correct? Player feedback back on difficulty in particular is yes, less useful on other areas of the game. For difficulty / engagement analytics funnels rule. Feedback, yes, and I created bots that played my game, which gave me stats. The bots just do random actions, so it's not too accurate, but it's still telling. Wait, so what you're saying, Ramis, is I collect data from playtesters in, let's say, a file, and then it tells me whenever they started a level, which level they started, and which round they spent the most time on. So, for example, let's wait. This is important, guys. This is actually really important because we can learn from something from this here. Testing. Okay, let's call it play testing. Guys, that's why I stream this. Okay, so it's called telemetry, bruh. Everyone does it. It got telemetry, bruh. Everyone does it. You could use the Steam stats for that? No, I don't think I can, to be honest. You want to compare the drop-off from players from level 1 to level 2, the drop-off from level 2 to level 3. But in my case, we have rounds. So what I have in my game is round 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say we only have 4 rounds. So what should I do? When someone engages round 1, I give it a stick. And then so this is what it would look like. Everyone starts round 1. And then in round 2, maybe we have this. So that means 4 people couldn't beat round 1. That's what you mean? I'm making a game and I recently got a game dev job, which is cool. Oh, awesome, man. I can't read your name, but that's awesome on YouTube, bro. Have you seen this video? It's about how these developers utilize Steam stats to help balance their game. We're gonna watch this today. Please tell me it's not a long video.
Hey friends, this is Jordan with O & Co Games.
12 minutes. Perfect. Thank you. We're gonna watch that today. We found the react for the day. Very nice, F11. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Oh. We can see everything. Yes. Devlog number 16, 5 months ago. Very nice. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I think that will be helpful for a lot of people in chat as well. You can have stuff. You can have stuff to know which abilities player use, where they put towers, stuff like that, and visualize the data in interesting ways and understand what players like, dislike in your game. This is a very popular thing to do. Maybe there are some interesting talks about it. Do I plan to add Twitch integration? No, not in the beginning. I want to make a really good game, and Twitch integration doesn't apply there. Twitch integration is an additional feature that can support a very good game. But a very good game needs to stand on its own, because Twitch integration will not be the majority of sales. So this is like on my priority list, -1. Yes, you need to push metrics to some backend which can show you funnels, exactly like your MS Paint masterpiece there. So essentially, then this is, and if I see this, then I know that round 2 is bad. So what I would, if I have this data here
Cakez
for playtesting.
77. My man, thank you for $3.
Thank you.
Hey Cakez, just wanted to buy you a coffee
Thank
for
you.
all of your entertaining
Thank you, man.
streams. Have fun with the $3.
I'm gonna buy ice cream. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate it. 50 players started round 1, but only 72 players started round 2, etc. So I would identify this round to be bad. Then. This would be bad. God, I can't type. Because it's -5. P. Doesn't tell you why, but it tells you where. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna map out data before we start the demo version. Yeah, start tracking is too often ignored by smaller studios, which we had the time to track everything, though analyzing and learning from the data is even more time consuming. Yeah, I can do that actually, because if I do it right, I just have unlimited time. Like, I don't mind. Note, if they failed the round, was maybe, people might have lost interest, not because, but it was too hard. Not because it was too hard. Yeah, so it could be, yeah, it could be boring, essentially, as well. We have used achievements. I have used achievements to track it for now. I will probably implement a better tracking system. Yes, happens all the time because they say and what they do is different. Yes, yes. So, yeah, exactly. That's like in a relationship, you know. A person says one thing, but they mean something else. Yeah, I think you guys are right with this. So I shouldn't listen to the reviews, but to the data. In a way, and to my intuition as well. Yeah. I'm so happy I found this community. A lot of having you in my ear while I'm working, Cakes. That's awesome to hear, bro. That is really awesome to hear. It's not a paid